English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Cafe English Conversation 50. 1 coffee please. 1 coffee please. 1 coffee please. 1 coffee please. Is it hot? Is it hot? Is it hot? Is it hot? Yes, hot coffee. Yes, hot coffee. Yes, hot coffee. Yes, hot coffee. What size? What size? What size? What size? Medium size please. Medium size please. Medium size please. Medium size please. Add some milk. Add some milk. Add some milk. Add some milk. A little milk. A little milk. A little milk. A little milk. Any sugar? Any sugar? Any sugar? Any sugar? 1 sugar please. 1 sugar please. 1 sugar please. 1 sugar please. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Do you have cake? Do you have cake? Do you have cake? Do you have cake? Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. I want that cake. I want that cake. I want that cake. I want that cake. For here? For here? For here? For here? For here. For here. For here. For here. Or to go. Or to go. Or to go. Or to go. Here is fine. Here is fine. Here is fine. Here is fine. Your name please? Your name please? Your name please? Your name please? Tanaka name. Tanaka name. Tanaka name. Tanaka name. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. How much total? How much total? How much total? How much total? $6. $6. $6. $6. Can I use card? Can I use card? Can I use card? Can I use card? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Please tap here. Please tap here. Please tap here. Please tap here. Payment done. Payment done. Payment done. Payment done. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. We will call you. We will call you. We will call you. We will call you. Do you have water? Do you have water? Do you have water? Do you have water? It is here. It is here. It is here. It is here. Do you have napkins? Do you have napkins? Do you have napkins? Do you have napkins? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? In the back. In the back. In the back. In the back. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your cake too. Your cake too. Your cake too. Your cake too. I will eat. I will eat. I will eat. I will eat. How is the taste? How is the taste? How is the taste? How is the taste? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I will come again. I will come again. I will come again. I will come again. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. You too. You too. You too. You too. Goodbye. 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 Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.